All right, so you've got a series of objects that have a relationship to one another and you want to parent them. Parenting takes a few different forms, and down the line, I'd like to do videos dealing with all of the different aspects of parenting. But in its most basic form, it's a fairly simple process. So I'm going to select my objects. The last one that I select is highlighted in a different color, and you can see that as well over here on the outliner. Um, so, quite simply, if I push Control P, I will get the set parent option. Additionally, there's also the ability to right click and you can get to parenting options through there as well, with quite a few other options. But for this purpose, I'm just going to Control P and I'm going to set parent to object. And it really is that simple. So now if I look in the outliner where there were two objects, there's one with the other object as a subset. And if I grab this object, the child object moves with it. Now, I can move the child object separately, but you can see that there is a relationship. This line designates that there's a relationship between the two. And really, that's all there is to it in the most basic sense. So I hope that helps with very basic parenting. More on that at another time.